Welcome back, AVGeek community. In this check ride, we're going to be watching clips of Air India 777s at SFO. Stay to the end because we got another Air India A319 at Tucson, Arizona, heading off to the Boeing yard. In the next couple of weeks, we will have a lot of changes coming to the channel, so keep on a watch out for that. Also, don't forget to catch our live stream this Saturday, February 10th, for our Super Saturday live stream from SFO.
Make sure all seats are in the upright position and trays are put away before we take off.
Sounds like we got our permission to take off. Make sure your seatbelts are fastened, sit back, and enjoy Air India at SFO. Well, on that note, it's time for us to stow away our electronics. Don't forget to check out our Instagram at AVGeek Tours for daily photos, as well as our website avgeektours.com to see our upcoming trips. The links are in the description below. Join us again next time as we continue our journey. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy spotting.